Hello guys, this is Kunjan Shah. Welcome back to my channel. So 19 topic is use your brain chemicals. There are drugs that you can use to motivate yourself with. And I am not talking about amphetamine or crack. Amphetamine एक ड्रग होता है जो अ, अपने माइंड को एक्टिव करने में काम आता है, लेकिन उसके साइड इफेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. Instead, you can get into those energizing chemicals in your system that get activated when you laugh, sing, dance, or run or hug someone. आप किसी हग करते हो, डांस करते हो, दौड़ते हो, तो वो एनर्जी जो होती है वो केमिकल्स होते हैं, एनर्जाइजिंग केमिकल्स वो एक्टिवेट होते हैं. When you are having fun, your body chemistry changes and you get new biochemical surges of motivation and energy. आप जब फन करते हो तो वो केमिकल जनरेट होता है. And there is not anything you do that can be transformed into something interesting and uplifting. उसके बाद आप ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आप कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग और कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हो. आप उसके बाद जब आपको एनर्जी मोटिवेशन मिलता है तो आप बहुत अच्छा आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. विक्टर फ्रैंकल हैज रिटर्न startling account of his life in the Nazi concentration camp. स्टार्टलिंग मीन्स एक आश्चर्यजनक घटना उसने लिखी थी कि हाउ सम प्रिजनर्स क्रिएटेड न्यू यूनिवर्सिटीज unto themselves inside their own mind. उसके माइंड के अंदर उन लोगों ने एक यूनिवर्सिस बनाया था. इट माई साउंड absurd, एक विचित्र लगता है, लेकिन ट्रूली इमेजिनेटिव पीपल कैन एक्सेस देयर इनर केमिकल क्रिएटिविटी इन द लोनलीनेस ऑफ प्रिजन सेल. Don't keep trying to go outside yourself searching for something that's fun. It's not out there anywhere. It's inside. The opportunity for fun is in your own energy system, your synergy of heart and mind. That's where you will find it. Pro Football Hall of Famer Frank Tarkenton recommends looking at any task you do so as a fun. कोई भी टास्क आप चूज करो वो आप एक फन की तरह करो. If it's not fun, he says, you are not doing it right. People who get high on marijuana often find they get laughed at anything. The problem with them is that they think this kind of fun is inherent in the marijuana, but it's not. The capacity for fun was already there inside of them. The marijuana just artificially opened them up to it. But the physical and psychological price paid for such a drugged opening is not worth and high. I wish I didn't know this firsthand, but I do. The price drug users pay is this: their self esteem suffer because they didn't create the fun they had. They thought the drug did it for them, so they keep shrinking the more they use into greater paranoia and self disgust. Soon they are using the drug just to feel normal, and फिर वो नॉर्मल होने के लिए वो ड्रग का यूज करते हैं. विलियम बोरोव, a former drug addict and author of Next Lunch, discovered something that was very interesting and bitterly amusing to him after finally recovering from the addiction. He says there is not anything feeling you can get on the drugs. He said that you can't get without drugs. आप ड्रग के बिना भी सेम फीलिंग ला सकते हो. Make a commitment to yourself to find a natural high. You need to stay motivated. आप कमिटमेंट करो अपने आप से कि आप नेचुरल हाई You will find it to stay motivated. Start by finding out what it does to your mood and energy, to laugh, to sing, to dance, to walk, to run, to hug someone, or to get something done. Start by finding out what it does to your mood and energy. Then support your experiment by telling yourself that you are not interested in doing anything that is not fun. If you can't immediate if you can't immediately see the fun in something, find a way to create it. Once you have made a task fun, you have solved the problem of self motivation. Thank you very much.